Welcome, my name is Kamini. I'm going to give you your tarot reading for the month of September. It's going to be your love reading. I have two groups here, group number 1 and group number 2. I'm going to start first with group number 1. Group number 1, you've chosen the pink flower. Let's see what's coming in for you. The first card that's coming in for group number 1 is the card of boundaries. Group number 1, I see that you and your partner, when you meet each other, your love interest, at first you might not open up with them, or they might not open up with you. Maybe you might feel that you both are not compatible and you both are quite different, and there might be some kind of hesitation when you meet each other, okay, because the boundaries card has come. So maybe some kind of hesitation that you have, and this is what I feel will be your first impression, or you both will have the same impression about each other. The second card is the card of storm warning coming, and I think that when you meet each other, you might both be in some kind of crisis, a small crisis when you meet each other, or at least one of you might be in some kind of crisis, a small crisis when you meet each other. The third card coming is the card of King of Pentacles coming, and I would say that your first or your impression about your partner, or what they might think about you, is that maybe you both are quite well to do, you both are quite capable, you both are quite financially stable when you meet each other, and you both your partner might think, or your love interest might think, that you're quite responsible, you're quite practical in your life, irrespective of your gender. And maybe one of your partners, or both of you might be mature when you meet each other, or you might meet each other in a workplace, or you might meet each other when you are working with each other. And I also see that your partner, or you might think that your partner is quite capable, because you might see your partner or your love interest handling situations well, maybe situations that need, because I see the storm warning card. So your partner might think that you handling your situation is quite you have that capability, that you might handle any situation, even challenges in your life well, and that might impress your partner or your love interest when they see you maybe doing things, maybe doing the challenges, taking up challenges very well in life and performing them well. Apart from that, there is a strength card coming for your relationship. If you do proceed further, I see that when you meet them, or when they meet you, they might see all this about you, and they might see that you both have that strength in yourselves, and they might also feel this is some kind of something that could be a long-term relationship, I would say, because as maybe they see you as handling situations well, crisis well, and they also find you quite capable in finances, and they might see that there is a long term potential and long term relationship with you, and this is what they might be thinking about you, or you might think about them in terms of relationship. And lastly, I have the relationship card, and the card says, I am a master at setting boundaries that protect my time, energy, creativity, and emotional well-being. So the first card which we saw was the card of boundaries, and the last card also is talking about setting boundaries that protect my time, energy. So this is something that maybe you both share with each other. Maybe you protect your time, energy, creativity, emotional well-being, and I would say that you both might be quite compatible with each other in terms of respecting each other's time, energy, and creativity, emotional well-being. And I would say this the relationship would be quite stable in that way, quite compatible, and your partner might find you very capable in handling difficult situations of life. And this is what I have, group number 1. your reading, your love reading for the month of September 2020. Now I'm going to go with group number 2. Let's see what's coming for you, group number 2. Group number 2, you have the purple flower. I'm going to just see what your cards are, group number 2. Group number 2, the first card comes the card of compatibility. Now, the card itself tells us that when you meet your partner, you might feel quite, you might feel that you and your partner are made for each other. It would be like instant, you might be friends with them, you might become friends with them. There wouldn't be any kind of, maybe you would not feel that, there wouldn't be any kind of hesitation in terms of, getting along with them. You might feel that, your thoughts, your values, and your emotions are quite similar, and you might just feel that, oh, this is somebody I would, and you might instantly feel like, you are kind of made for each other in a way. So it would be quite, quite friendly, maybe quite, you might just start by being friends with each other. Now the second card which I have for you is the journey card. Now you might meet your partner in a journey when you're going somewhere, or they might come to meet you from a faraway place, and when you are traveling, you might meet them somewhere. Okay. The third card which I have is the card of Six of Wands coming. I would say that, one of you or both of you might be quite successful in your life, or you might be quite hardworking. Your partner or your love interest may be quite hardworking, or they might be going for some kind of work, or where you might meet them because you have the journey card. So they might be quite famous, or even they could be somebody you would see as, admire them for their success, or something quite admirable about them, that they might be quite popular, and you might meet them in a journey. This is what I understand, where you might first meet them. Okay. Quite maybe they have the social and economic, wealthiness about them, or they might be quite successful overall, and you admire them. People may admire them for that. Quite popular person maybe. Also, when you meet them or they meet you, one of you might be in some kind of stress, maybe emotional stress, when you meet each other. It could be you, or it could be your love interest. And the last card which I have is of relationship, and that is, I tell the truth with grace and love, and my relationships are transformed. Now this could mean, when you get the card of Nine of Swords, one of you or both of you might be going through some kind of turmoil when you meet each other, and because you find your love interest quite compatible with you, and you might just be open with each other, and you might just tell the truth with a lot of grace and love, and that would help you. Maybe you would be very honest with your love interest, because the first card tells us about compatibility, and this is what I understand. You might be quite open with your partner, and you might just tell what is bothering you, and your partner might be very understanding. Your love interest may be very understanding, and you might both maybe be truthful with each other. This could also be the energy of your love interest, and they might tell you something about themselves that might be bothering them when you two meet, and you both might be, you might feel comfortable telling your, if you're feeling something, if you're feeling down, or you're feeling stressed, or you're feeling maybe some kind of grief that you feel, you might be just open with each other, and you might just tell each other, because you with a lot of truth and grace, you might just tell each other, because you both feel as if you are compatible, and you can be open to each other. So this is your reading, group number 2, with the violet purple flower. I hope my reading helps you, and if it has helped you in some way, then you can definitely subscribe to my channel. You can also leave a comment. I do give personal readings. Till then, take care of yourself in the month of September. I will definitely see you in the month of October. Thank you so much.